to take your electrical skills to the next level. Introducing the Level 3 2365 online course, designed for those looking to advance their knowledge and expertise in the electrical field. Explore advanced topics such as electrical design, installation, inspection and testing with our comprehensive curriculum. Join the ranks of our highly skilled professionals in high demand across the electrical industry. If you'd like to find out more, look down below for further details and register your interest for our experts to call you back and advise you further.